Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, I picked up a new seat for my John Deere 870. As you can see, the old seat has seen better days. I put some rubber in here to kind of slow down the cracking. You can see the whole back part's coming off. And the little side bolsters, there's absolutely nothing in here. I would say this is probably an original seat, if not very old. And here's my new seat. It's actually identical to the one I'm replacing. So in order to take off the old seat, you need to take out your two little clips here. So we're going to take out one on each side, and then we're going to pull out the bar and pop the seat off. So you are going to have to clean out a little bit of the paint here. As you can see, I'm having a hard time getting the rod through. So just clean out the paint right in this area, and then it should slide through no problem. It was still a little tight, so I just banged on this end to get the pin all the way through to the other side. And there we go, another little project done on the old 1990 John Deere 870. So I can't wait to get plowing this winter with this old beast. Thanks for watching.